Welcome back to Bella Boo's Lunches, or if you're new, welcome. I'm so glad you guys are here because this week we are making spooky pizzas and we are making them using non-bread as the crust. Seriously, it cannot get any easier than this. Let's just get right into it. And don't forget, please hit that like button. Share it with all your friends and family that you think also need some spooky pizzas in their lives. It seriously helps me out and I appreciate it so much. Okay. Our first pizza is pumpkin.
Hey guys, today we are making pumpkin pizzas, and I'm starting off by just adding a little bit of this garlic oil to all of my pumpkins because oh my gosh, you know what, we love garlic in this house. And I'm just going to add some pizza sauce. The bread, by the way, is naan. All right, and she wants black olives and pepperoni. And then we're gonna add some cheese. Oh, we gotta add some olives. I almost forgot. All right, let's put our pepperoni pizzas onto our baking tray. And here they go. We'll go throw them in the oven real quick. We have this little pumpkin, this little plastic pumpkin, and I'm gonna fill it with some carrots. Right here, we're gonna fill up this guy with some applesauce. And then we have these sprinkles. I found them at Walmart. They're the worst little hole. I mean, perfect for me for like decorating cookies, but bad when I just want to sprinkle on a few just to give it a little pop of color to my applesauce. Then I have this adorable little treat bag, and I have some cinnamon. My cinnamon is in a bag because I bought it in bulk from our local co-op. I really don't want to spill it. I'm just going to put some inside of here. Not a lot because you don't need a lot. And then I'm just going to poke it up here, and Bella can kind of use that cinnamon to pour onto her applesauce. Is that not the cutest idea? Okay, and then we're going to put in our pumpkin pizzas. Okay, so here will be Bella's lunch today. She is getting a pepperoni pizza, a black olive and pepperoni pizza, some applesauce with cinnamon. That's the secret. Nobody else knows unless they watch me do that. And then some carrots. So here's Bella's lunch today. We'll see what she eats. All right, Bella, how'd you do? Wow.
The carrots were so fun.
All right, well, good job. Thanks. Today we're making a pizza. So we are making this little guy. My hope is he's gonna look like Frankenstein. Then I'm gonna pile on a little bit of bacon, and now we're topping it with mozzarella cheese. We're gonna throw this in the oven really quick. While I got the pizza in the oven, I'm just going to slice up some apples. And I'm just going to put the apples right into this little container. Look at how cute it is. It's like a little skull hand. And then in this guy, did you guess that I'm doing caramel? Okay, and our pizza is done. But I've let it cool off just a bit. I'm going to add on our mayo. You know what? I'm going to do a little bit backwards just because I also want to be able to mostly see the green. So I'm going to add the tomatoes onto the bottom with the mayo. Now we're going to pile high our lettuce. His eyes are just going to be big dollops of mayo. And we'll do a couple tomatoes. Also, his nose needs to have some more tomatoes. You can do his mouth. More tomatoes. And we'll give him a scar too. Yep, he looks creepy enough for me. I like it. We're gonna put some apples down here and some caramel down here. And here we go. Here is our BLT pizza. We have a little Frankenstein dude, some apples and caramel, and that is it. Anyway, you guys, here is Bella's lunch today. We'll see what she eats. All right, Bella, how'd you do?
I loved it. Okay, the caramel was really good.
Yeah, I gave you kind of a lot there.
Yeah.
A lot goes in that.
Yeah.
And how was your BLT pizza?
Oh my gosh, amazing.
So good. I love BLT pizza too.
Same.
Anyway, well, good job, Bella.
Thanks.
Today we are making taco pizza, but I want it to look like a spider web. So we'll see. We'll see how I do with this. I've never done this before, but I've made taco pizza a lot of times. So I'm starting off by just taking my naan bread. I kind of cut it into a choppy little circle, and I am spreading on taco sauce. So you can take ground beef, taco meat, whatever you have, and we're just going to put it on top of our sauce. And then I like to drizzle on a little bit more of my taco seasoning because, I don't know, I just do. I like mine really saucy. Then we're gonna top it with our cheese. So I am doing, I think this is actually Havarti, but you can do mozzarella, whatever cheese you happen to have on hand. And then a little bit of cheddar cheese. Now I'm gonna go throw these guys into the oven and bake them until they are nice and melty and bubbly. While that is getting baked, I'm going to fill up my little pumpkin dude with some tabbouleh. We love tabbouleh. It is simply, this is what it looks like. It is just parsley and bulgur wheat, a little bit of finely diced onions, and some chopped up tomatoes. And the dressing is lemon juice, extra virgin olive oil, and salt. That's it, right, Bella?
Yeah.
Trying to think if I add anything else to it. That's all I do. In this little cauldron, I'm just going to pop in some carrots. Throw in one of our spiderweb pizzas. We're definitely assembling this a little bit backwards, but I'm going to put in some red onions and some tomatoes, a big pile of our lettuce, and then we're going to take a couple Doritos, crunch it up into Dorito dust and put that on top. And then I'm going to attempt to make a spider web. All right, and then I'm gonna have, this is optional. I do have a bunch of black olives. What if I switched the head out with this head? I don't know. What about that? Anyway, let's build the rest of her lunch. She is getting some tabbouleh in this cute little spooky pumpkin. And she is getting, okay, that don't work like that. We'll put the carrots back there, and the tabbouleh no longer fits. Hold on, this is 100% for me. Bella could care less. But I'm switching from the cauldron into this thing. I added a few decorations. Here is Bella's lunch today. Scooch up, little head. She's getting a spider taco pizza, some carrots, some tabbouleh, and I added a few decorations just for fun. So here's Bella's lunch today. We'll see what she eats. All right, Bella, how'd you do? Wow.
It was really good. The tabbouleh was amazing.
Tabbouleh's so good. I'm pretty sure I have that recipe somewhere. I will put it in the description if you're looking for it. I'm almost positive I posted it before. The taco pizza.
Oh, that was like so good, bro.
I love taco pizza. If you've never made it or tried it, give it a try. I think it's like very popular in the Midwest.
Yeah.
So maybe like other parts of the country or world, maybe I've never tried it. Anyway, what are you guys in the mood to see next? Or you, Bella, what are you in the mood to see next? Or what do you want to eat next? Let me know. Are you kind of like feeling like some sandwiches? Because that's kind of what I was thinking.
I like sandwiches.
Yeah, so anyway, good job, Bella.
Thanks.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.
Bye.